Welcome to BoldSign. Need to scan a document, but don't have access to a physical scanner? With the BoldSign Document Scanner app, you can quickly turn paper documents into clean digital files using your phone. Start by opening the BoldSign Document Scanner app on your mobile device. There's no sign-up required, no ads, and the app also works offline, so you can start scanning right away. To create a new scan, tap Add Image and use your device camera to capture the document. Place the document on a flat surface with enough light and make sure the full page is visible on the screen. The app automatically detects the document edges, helping you capture a neat and properly framed scan. Once the page is positioned correctly, capture the scan. For multi-page documents, continue scanning each page one after another. This keeps all pages together in a single document, making it easier to review, export, and share. After scanning, check the page preview to make sure the content is clear, readable, and in the correct order. You can then use the editing tools to improve the scan. If there are extra edges or unwanted background areas, crop the page so only the document content is visible. If a page was captured sideways or upside down, rotate it to the correct position. You can also apply filters to improve readability. Use color to keep the original look, grayscale for a cleaner version, or black and white to make printed text sharper and easier to read. Once your scans are ready, you can organize the document before exporting it. Rename the file so it's easier to find later, especially if you scan documents regularly. For example, you can name it contract form, invoice, receipt, or client document. If you scanned multiple pages, you can arrange them in the right order. You can also add more pages or replace a page if needed without starting the entire scan again. When the document is ready, choose how you want to export it. The BoldSign Document Scanner app supports multiple export formats. Use PDF when you want to share a complete multi-page document. Use zip when you want to package multiple files together. Use JPG or PNG when you need individual scan pages as images. After exporting, you can share the document directly from your phone. Send it using any supported sharing option on your device. You can also download the file for your records or print it if you need a physical copy. The BoldSign Document Scanner app helps you quickly turn paper documents into clean, professional digital files. Scan, edit, and organize your documents easily, anytime, anywhere. Download the app and make document scanning simple from your phone. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more BoldSign videos. Thank you for watching.